arbitrary design, line follow at the front, so it'll follow the line down and back.
Come on over here.
Is the on and off switch for turning it on and for when you want to just do one more cycle or finish the cycle. The front is just an absolute kill switch in case it's trying to eat anybody, but it has that off-road capabilities, so it shouldn't be an issue. It has a flashlight underneath because of reasons that not seeing the line is an issue. So, yeah. And it's tank tread, which makes it a bit better than other ideas. And then it waits 5 seconds.
Yay! How did you code the turning around?
Coded the turnaround so that it went one way, it waited for half a second, or 1 second, I can't remember what I used.
1, I think.
1, and then it would check the other side. If it went for 2 full seconds, it would continue turning around until it met the line again. And it would assume that it met the end of the line, because from what we gathered, it was in a factory. There was a line on the ground that it would follow and run back and forth. So we assumed that at some point the line will break, and that's where it has to stop at. So we just sort of did it so it'll follow the line, do small adjustments along the way if it's at an angle, get all the way down there, and then when it turns around, it stops and waits 5 seconds. So say you were loading things on or taking things off, etc. And it would run back the other way. And then it also keeps track of what location it's in. So when we started here, it realizes that it's at the start. When it goes on the line, it realizes it's in part 1. When it's at the end, it realizes it's in part 2. Back on the line, part 3. End of the line, part 4. And then when it turns around, it's back at 0. So that's how we were able to make it so that, if I can get it to work. Wait on that, actually.
So when it gets on the carpet, it has a hard time finding its way back to the line, is it?
Yeah, because of the carpet.
Okay.
It should not start up again because it realizes it finished its path.
Okay, so it's not quite doing what it should at the end there, but...
Well, that's mainly because the carpet is just weird because it doesn't recognize it's dark, or it recognizes it as dark, so we can't really do anything to